I'm John with Saddle Point Systems, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use the Akiles Crimp Coil high volume coil finishing machine. Once you've got a stack of books that have already been through the coil inserter, this machine is going to help us do is it's going to cut and crimp both ends of the coil at the same time with only the push of a foot pedal. So what I've got to do is set my book in here like so. I'm going to push the foot pedal and it finishes the book for me that easily. You can see it makes a really nice crimp. These coils aren't going to come out. And the nice thing about this machine is that it's fast. It can go ahead and cut and crimp the books at 54 books a minute, which is going to be faster than I can put them in. And every time it makes a nice crimp, does the same thing. There's no more using the pliers. This is nice. So one great thing we like about this machine is that it's fully adjustable. It can do the full range of coil sizes. It can do as small as a 6mm coil. And it can also do coils as large as 50mm, which is all the way up to 2 inches. So we want to show you how to adjust this machine. And we're going to use a 25mm coil, and that's about an inch thick book. And in order to do that, we've got, let's see here, so we've got our side guides already set for the 11 inches, and we have to adjust for the coil size. So we've got some levers up here. We're going to go ahead and move this lever, and this is the coil holder. We're going to move that up to the 20 to 25 inch or millimeter range there. We've got a knob here, and there's our two sort of ranges here. We're going to set this knob into about the middle for our 25. Let's just find that. And let me do the other side at the same time here. It doesn't have to be exact. You can adjust it if you want a different quality crimp, which is nice. And then we just have to adjust our table height here. And there's another label here with the ranges. So I turn this knob down to the 20 to 25 range. I'm going to do the other table side at the same time here. As we said, this is a high volume coil finishing machine, so this is kind of a lot of adjustment to do if you only have to do 10 books or something. But if you've got hundreds or even 50 books to do of one size, this is going to really save a lot of time. So the most important thing we're doing with all of the adjustments is we want the coil crimper to be about halfway into the height of the book. So if we set this in here, we can see that we've got, that's going to be about where we want it, and that's set up where we want it, just to make sure that it's going to go ahead and crimp the right coil ends. And then once we've got it set up, push the foot pedal again, and it makes a really nice crimp. And once it's set up, we'll do one more, just to show you that as long as you set it in there right, you really don't have to do too much effort, and it's nice and easy. So the other thing about this machine is that you can do smaller books or larger books as well. You can do books down to 6 inches all the way up to 17 inches, so you can do full-size calendars or menus. And in order to adjust the side guides and the crimping heads, you undo these 3 levers here, and then you can slide these to any position you want. You can see this arrow has a marker with a ruler on it, so there's a mark for legal, and you can go all the way out to 17 inches. The other one slides, and they're very easy to move, so there's no big resistance. And then the side guides are the same thing. They've got a ruler here and a simple adjustment. So that's it for the Crimp Coil. Let us know if you have any other questions about this machine or any of the supplies that it takes. Feel free to give us a call or have a look at our website.